Hi lower schoolers, today we're going to be learning It's Raining Tacos with box drumming. So I'm going to lay out all the different parts for you and you're going to repeat after me and then we're going to put the whole thing together. So the first thing that you're going to need is a box. Again, I have just a plain box that is empty. It sometimes slides around a little if it's empty, so if you want to put something in it to help keep it steady, that's fine. If this doesn't work or if it's too loud, I don't need a box to do this. I could actually use a couch, which would be a lot quieter, and I still get all that good practice and all the rhythms and stuff. So don't feel like you need a big box or a little box or a box at all. There's so many different ways that you can kind of make this work. I'm using spatulas from my kitchen. I could use the soft ends or the wooden ends. I'm going to be using this one. It's a little bit bigger and it's going to give me a lower sound for my side, and this one, which is a little smaller, is going to give me a higher sound for the top. All right, so let's get into it. The A section. The A section is going to be just the side, and it's 4 quarter notes. Do, 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 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead, give it a try. Awesome. B. The B section you're going to be doing, it's the same rhythm, but you're going to start with the side, and then you're going to do both, side, both. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, or do, 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 do. Let's try that together. Ready, and. The C part, the C section goes like this. Side, together, top, 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 top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and do, day, do, day. Let's try it together. Ready, and. Good. The D section is a little bit longer. So you're going to do 4 sides, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so the whole D section like this. Do, 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 day, do, day, do, day, do, day. Let's try it together. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Hope you had fun. Now go eat some tacos. Hey, lower schoolers. Oh, I tried to keep the dogs out. They were making an appearance. Get out of here. You can't, I can't do this with you. Oh, or you. Okay. I think I have to boot you out. I can't. This is very hard to do with dogs.